Don't allow difficult conversations to silence your true feelings. Minsan ganun tayo. Instead, i-voice out kung ano talaga yung gusto natin or yung na-feel natin sa mga nangyari. Tatahimik na lang tayo. We can say it's because to protect the peace. Okay, there's a place for that. Pero minsan, paulit at paulit at paulit na lang eh. Ikaw naman nawawalan ng peace. Yung well-being mo, nahihirapan. Siyempre, there is a way in voicing out what you truly feel. Huwag ka maging bastos. Don't be entitled. Say it with grace. Say it with kindness. But I hope that kung meron ka talagang gusto or nasa saloobin mo, sabihin mo. Hayaan mo nang masaktan yung tao pag sinabi mo yun. Kung hindi mo naman talaga intention silang masaktan. Yung gusto mo lang talaga is to say the truth. Kung masaktan sila, then be there for them. Siyempre, truth hurts eh. But I hope that yung ma-prioritize mo rin yung sarili mo kasi you have been deferring all your life. It's about time na to say and even do the things that you truly want.